would you not, is it because of the prices are dropping that you wouldn't want to hold a sub-2, even losing cash flow?
Okay, so remember, everybody in this room is in a different situation.
Okay.
Will I buy sub-2s as the market is going down?
Yes.
Me?
Yes.
Yes, I will. Would I tell you to go buy a sub-2 deal as the price of that property is going down? No. Okay, if it's your first buy and hold, don't buy something that's dropping in price.
Okay.
I can sustain just about anything, right? I've got enough cash flow that even if one deal goes bad or this thing or whatever else, I buy deals sometimes that don't even cash flow. The deal I bought from Robbie, that ain't cash flowing. But I'm buying it because I have a specific reason I'm buying it, right? So again, this is where everything comes down to community. You guys have to have leaders that you can rely on. You can call an Ingrid, or you can call somebody. You can be involved and go, I've got this deal. What are your thoughts? I still do that on a lot of my deals. Hey, what do you think about this area? What's going on in this area? Hey, I saw you did a deal. Like, I have a lot of friends in this town that I see when they do a project. I call them up and I go, hey, I'm about to buy a property down the street. How'd that project go? I rely on so many people to make decisions. So for you, if you got a sub-2 deal that's cash flowing, Rafa, you've been in this business more than 2 weeks. I think you can handle it. Okay?
Yeah, because that's my mode right now. So I just want to buy it.
Okay, do you guys understand the difference in the way I'm giving you your advice? Raise your hand if you feel like you could handle a sub-2 deal losing $100,000 of value over 2 years. I know I can. If it cash flows, let's say it's cash flowing and you're getting a good return on it, could you handle that? And okay, there you go. You're in my mindset, right? But when I was brand new, those types of things worry you so much and that you freak out about them that it scares you. You're looking at it's kind of like holding a stock that's dropping in value, dropping in value. You saw what happened with Bitcoin last year or this year? You know what's funny is when it hit 63,000, people didn't sell out and cash out of the market. But as it's going down, people are like, oh my gosh, I don't want to lose any more. It's like, dude, you don't lose anything until you sell.
That's what I tell my head all the time.
It is, yes. And it's the same thing that happened in 2008 when people go, man, I lost my butt in 2008. I go, okay, great, what were you doing? And they go, I was a fix and flipper. I immediately go, yep, I could see how that happened. If they said I was a buy and holder, I was buying and holding in 2008, what is my next question? What the hell, what happened? And I'll tell you, do you know what the 2 reasons why people lost their butt as buy and holders in 2008? There's only 2 reasons why. There you go. Panic sell. They sold properties they should not have sold that cash flowed. What was the second reason?
They had an arm.
They had an adjustable rate mortgage. Because in 2005, 2006, 2007, people were like taking on so many adjustable rate mortgages. In fact, one of my best friends, everybody knows Eric Sage? Yep. Had a lot of adjustable rate mortgages back then. Okay, there was a guy here in town named Derek where literally 90% of his sub-2 portfolio was adjustable rate mortgages. And why is that a problem? Because I acquire a house that cash flows today, but when the interest rate goes up, it no longer cash flows $200. It has a negative cash flow of $200. And you multiply that by 10 houses, you're now hemorrhaging $2,000 a month. Who could sustain that? I could. But that's why the advice you receive, you have to sit and wonder, how does this advice apply to me? Rafa, you've been doing this for a bit. You can go find a deal tomorrow, could you not? Yeah. Okay, are you worried about what's going to happen in the market? No, because you understand how to adjust. What my advice is for people like Brenda who are getting started is I'm trying to say, stay away from holding a property that's going to go down in value because you have not strengthened that part of your brain that says you only lose money when you sell. That's muscle. That's something that requires patience. This is why real estate is a lifelong pursuit. Okay? You have to have that expectation.